Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home and taking good care of your health. Let's now start with the next topic, our country, India. As you already know, India is a vast country situated in the continent of Asia. India stretches almost 3,000 kilometers from west to east, whereas approximately 3,200 kilometers from the north to the south. It has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers with a coastline of over 6,500 kilometers and 7,500 kilometers when we include the island boundaries. As you already know, India is one of the vast countries of Asia with 28 states and 8 union territories. Do you remember that? Well, there were some changes in 2020 which makes it to 28 and 8 states and union territories respectively. Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir were added in the list of union territories on 31st October 2019 and recently on 26 January 2020 Dadar and Nagar Haveli got merged with Daman and Diu. India stands at 7th position in terms of area, whereas when we talk about population, India holds 2nd position. Students, do you know which country comes first in terms of population? Yes, you are right. It's China. As the largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia, marked off by mountains and seas, which give the country a distinct geographical entity. Bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north, it stretches southwards and tapers off into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. New Delhi is its capital. Under this section, we are going to educate ourselves about the landscape and its various landforms. A landscape is a visible feature of an area of land. A landscape includes all the visible features of an area of land like mountains, rivers, valleys, deserts, plains, etc. As the surface of land is not uniform, they are crisscrossed by rivers or by deserts. So, there are beautiful valleys, hills, plateaus, coastal plains, and a number of islands. The southern half of India is an area of land surrounded on three sides by water, that is, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, and Bay of Bengal in the east. Such an area is termed as peninsula. So, southern half of India is a peninsular India. On the basis of various physical features, India is broadly divided into five physical divisions. India is one of the places which has every possible landscape that the world has. The Great Northern Mountains. The northern mountain wall or the Great Himalayas stretch for a distance of 2,400 kilometers from the west to the east. The width ranges between 200 to 500 kilometers. It is a great barrier to protect against the cold winds and from its enemies. The Great Northern Plains. The Great Plains of North India are formed due to the work of mainly three big rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. It spreads over about 2,400 kilometers of length and width ranges between 150 to 300 kilometers. It is the most fertile plain of India. The desert area, that is, the Thar Desert, or the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. The Peninsular Plateau. The plateau of India is roughly triangular in shape. The boundaries of plateaus are surrounded by hill ranges on all the three sides. the coastal plains. The narrow coastal strip between the edges of the Peninsular Plateau and the Indian coastline, running for about 6,000 kilometers from west to east. The two coastal plains meet each other at the southern tip in Kanyakumari. The islands. The Indian territory includes a large number of islands, among which the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands are the major island groups. Andaman and Nicobar, composed of 265 big and small islands, are located in the Bay of Bengal, whereas a group of 25 islands located in Arabian Sea forms Lakshadweep Islands, or are also referred to as Coral Islands. And students, on these bases, we have a country divided into broadly five physical divisions. They are the Great Mountains of the North, the Northern Plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, and islands. Thus, this is how vast diversity exhibits a country through its physical features over a vast geographical outlay. The varied physical features have a marked effect on the lives of the people and have influenced the evolution of diverse culture in India. Now, to sum up the topic, we have few keywords. Landscape. All the visible feature of an area of land. Peninsula, an area of land surrounded on three sides by water. This is all from our side on the topic our country, India. Have a great day ahead. Take care of yourself. Thank you.